Hey Autofiber PPF installers, are you wondering how you can save thousands of dollars during your PPF installs using Autofiber products? Well, come with me and I'm going to show you just how we do it. The key to a near perfect install with us always starts with American Detailer Garage F-Bomb, which you can also find on Autofiber. And for this, what you see here is our battery operated keg thermos sprayer system that we got from Mike Norng at Make Money LLC. And you can use this for hot water. We got it for hot water, but we also decided to use this for F-Bomb. And so this is a battery operated sprayer and it sprays out F-Bomb at 10-to-1. And I use that in all of the edges when I'm prepping the car to dislodge some of the dirt. It's just really handy. You could use a spray bottle, but I do like the product and I do like having it in the battery operated thermos. We have a lot of wash mitts and pads at Autofiber, but the one that I find Lint's the absolute least, next to nothing, is the zero cuff mitt. So I like to use zero cuff mitts when I'm washing the car before I dry it off and before I get started on the install, because there is least amount of lint as possible. And then when I have water residue left over, I use our Korean twist, which is a fairly absorbent no lint towel or very, very low lint towel. And it's the closest thing to a drying towel with almost no lint whatsoever. So I don't want any lint on the installation. Now, in a lot of cases, I don't dry the vehicle off because I have spot-free deionized water. But if I'm, say for example, drying something off to apply an edge prep, I use this towel to do so. All right, but probably the most used towel or the most used product I use that is not the install tools or the film itself is the smooth glass towel from Autofiber, and I use that to wipe edges to dry them off, and I use that also to spray my edge prep. Either Acrosol or Mike Norng's Grab are great edge prep solutions, and I put that onto a smooth glass towel. Again, I'm trying to avoid lint. And we have a new version that will be coming out soon. It's a much smaller square, so this is our typical square. You see the size difference, much smaller, and it fits inside of squeegees really well, or rather, the squeegee fits inside of it really well. And so we can fold this smooth glass over, and we can run this along edges such as underneath headlights or underneath grills, areas where we want that water to dry out so the edge doesn't lift back up. I talk about this all the time, and it's a real lifesaver for me. If you don't want to use the smooth glass, you could also use our F-Lint. It's another zero lint towel that we keep around for PPF as well. So it might not just be the tools you use, but it might be the towels that save your PPF installation.